Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Agis Mawati with NPM 234124041 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about tax collection. What is tax collection? Tax collection refers to a series of actions taken by the government through the Directorate General of Tax. These actions are carried out when taxes are unpaid or underpaid by taxpayers. In other words, tax collection begins when a taxpayer does not meet their tax obligations within the specified time limit. Simply put, tax collection is a mechanism used by the government to ensure that tax obligations are fulfilled in a fair, orderly, and lawful manner. Why is tax collection important? Tax collection plays an important role in the tax system. It helps ensure taxpayer compliance, meaning that taxpayers are encouraged to meet their obligations on time. In addition, tax collection secures state revenue from the tax sector, which is essential for funding public services and development programs. Most importantly, tax collection promotes fairness between taxpayers who comply with tax rules and those who do not, while also supporting sustainable national development. Legal basis of tax collection. In Indonesia, tax collection is supported by a strong legal framework. This includes the Law on General Provisions and Tax Procedures, also known as the KUP Law, as well as the Law on Harmonization of Tax Regulations. Tax collection is also regulated under Law Number 19 of 2000 concerning tax collection by distress warrant, along with implementing regulations issued by the Ministry of Finance and the Directorate General of Tax. Types of tax collection. In general, tax collection can be divided into two main types, namely passive tax collection and active tax collection. These two types differ mainly in the level of enforcement applied. Passive tax collection focuses on administrative notifications, while active tax collection involves stronger legal actions when taxpayers continue to ignore their tax obligations. Passive tax collection. Passive tax collection is carried out through the issuance of tax assessment or tax billing letters. These include the tax billing letter, the underpayment tax assessment letter, and the additional underpayment tax assessment letter. At this stage, taxpayers are still given the opportunity to voluntarily pay their outstanding tax liabilities without facing stricter enforcement actions. Active tax collection. Active tax collection is applied when taxpayers fail to settle their tax obligations after the passive collection stage. This type of collection involves stricter legal measures such as the issuance of warning letters and distress warrants. It may also include asset seizure, auction of seized assets, and under specific conditions, detention, which is known as giselling. Tax collection procedures. The tax collection process follows several clear and structured stages. It begins with the issuance of a tax assessment or billing letter as an initial reminder. If the tax remains unpaid, a warning letter is delivered to the taxpayer. When there is still no payment, a distress warrant is issued, followed by asset seizure. As a final step, the seized assets may be auctioned to settle the outstanding tax liabilities. Taxpayer rights and obligations. In the tax collection process, taxpayers have both obligations and rights. Their main obligation is to pay tax liabilities on time. However, taxpayers also have the right to file objections or appeals, apply for installment or deferred payments, and receive fair and transparent treatment from tax authorities. In conclusion, tax collection is a key instrument within the tax system and plays a vital role in maintaining compliance. It helps balance the rights of the state and taxpayers while ensuring legal certainty. By understanding how tax collection works, taxpayers are more likely to fulfill their obligations responsibly, which ultimately contributes to stable state revenue and national development. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.